In today's fast-paced world, clever kitchen gadgets have emerged as essential tools that simplify cooking and enhance efficiency. This video showcases a variety of innovative gadgets designed to make life easier in the kitchen, from multifunctional tools to smart appliances that streamline meal preparation. Each gadget not only saves time, but also elevates the cooking experience, allowing both novice and experienced chefs to work more effectively. By incorporating these ingenious devices into your culinary routine, you can minimize effort and maximize results, transforming the way you approach meal preparation. Join us as we explore these remarkable inventions that promise to revolutionize your kitchen experience and make cooking a breeze. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos. Introducing the health benefits of using an air fryer, a revolutionary kitchen appliance that transforms the way you prepare meals. One of its key advantages is that it cooks food without the need for oil, allowing you to enjoy healthier meals with significantly less fat and fewer calories. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a balanced diet. The air fryer also features 4 cooking modes, providing versatility for various dishes from frying and baking to roasting and grilling. Additionally, its generous capacity allows you to cook enough food to serve the whole family, making mealtime both convenient and nutritious. Embrace healthier cooking with the air fryer. Introducing the features of a portable drying rack, a practical solution for efficient dish drying in any kitchen. This versatile rack can be conveniently placed over the sink, allowing water to drain directly into the basin, which helps prevent mess and keeps your countertops clean. Its thoughtful design maximizes space, making it an ideal choice for smaller kitchens or limited counter areas. When not in use, the portable drying rack can be easily collapsed or stored away, ensuring it doesn't take up unnecessary space. With its ability to streamline the drying process and maintain a tidy kitchen environment, this drying rack is an essential accessory for any home chef. Introducing the convenience of a self-stirring mug, a revolutionary gadget that simplifies your beverage preparation. This innovative mug holds up to 400 ml of liquid, making it perfect for coffee, tea, hot chocolate, or even soups. With just the push of a button, it stirs your drink automatically, ensuring a perfectly blended mix every time without the need for a spoon. The USB charging feature adds to its practicality, allowing for easy recharging wherever you are, whether at home or on the go. Additionally, the self-stirring mug features an easy-to-clean removable bottom, making maintenance a breeze. Enjoy effortless mixing and convenience with this must-have kitchen accessory. A portable washing machine for vegetables offers numerous benefits, making it an invaluable tool for health-conscious individuals. This innovative device effectively cleans vegetables by thoroughly agitating them in water, ensuring that dirt and contaminants are removed efficiently. After the initial wash, it's essential to rinse the vegetables again to ensure safety and eliminate any remaining residues. This extra step enhances the cleanliness of your produce, providing peace of mind when preparing meals. Additionally, the convenience of a portable washing machine is particularly beneficial for removing pesticides, helping to ensure that your fruits and vegetables are safe for consumption. Embrace healthier eating habits with this practical kitchen accessory. A freezer food block maker offers several advantages that enhance food storage and meal prep efficiency. Designed to hold quart-sized bags, it allows for easy filling, making it simple to portion out soups, sauces, or smoothies without mess. Once filled, the block maker creates compact frozen blocks that stack neatly in your freezer, maximizing space and organization. This compact design not only saves room, but also facilitates quicker defrosting, as the smaller blocks thaw faster than larger, irregularly shaped items. By using a freezer food block maker, you can streamline your meal prep process, reduce waste, and enjoy the convenience of having perfectly portioned, easily accessible frozen meals at your fingertips. Introducing the benefits of a jar opener designed specifically for tackling tight lids, this handy tool is a game changer in any kitchen. Utilizing high-carbon steel teeth, it provides a strong grip that effortlessly loosens stubborn jar lids, making it easy for anyone to open containers without straining. Its versatile V-shaped design accommodates various lid sizes, ensuring that you can tackle everything from small spice jars to larger food containers with ease. Additionally, the jar opener is designed for easy installation under cabinets, keeping it conveniently accessible without taking up valuable counter space. With this practical tool, you can say goodbye to the frustration of stubborn lids and enjoy hassle-free cooking. An electric can opener offers remarkable convenience, making it an essential tool in any kitchen. One of its key advantages is that it opens cans without leaving sharp edges, ensuring safety while handling food. This feature is particularly beneficial for families with children or anyone concerned about cuts and injuries. The battery-operated design adds to its ease of use, allowing you to open cans effortlessly with just the push of a button, eliminating the need for manual effort. Additionally, the electric can opener is especially suitable for individuals with grip issues or limited hand strength, providing a practical solution for those who may struggle with traditional can openers. Enjoy hassle-free can opening with this user-friendly appliance. Introducing the features of a pickle jar designed for easy access, this innovative container revolutionizes how you enjoy your favorite pickles. One of its standout features is the ability to dispense pickles without getting your fingers wet, ensuring a mess-free experience every time you reach for a snack. The jar utilizes automatic movement of brine, allowing for convenient access to pickles while maintaining their flavor and texture. This thoughtful design not only enhances usability, but also plays a crucial role in keeping pickles fresh for longer periods. With its user-friendly features, this pickle jar makes enjoying your favorite pickled treats easier and more enjoyable than ever before. A foldable weighing scale offers numerous advantages that make it a practical addition to any kitchen or home. Its compact design allows it to fit easily in small spaces, providing convenience for those with limited storage options. When not in use, it can be neatly tucked away, ensuring your countertops remain clutter-free. One of its standout features is the adjustable zero-error function, which allows for precise measurements every time, eliminating any discrepancies. Additionally, the ability to change measurement units, such as grams, ounces, or pounds, adds versatility, making it suitable for various cooking and baking needs. With its combination of convenience, accuracy, and adaptability, a foldable weighing scale is an essential tool for any culinary enthusiast. Introducing the benefits of a foldable vegetable steamer, a versatile kitchen tool that enhances your cooking experience. One of its standout features is its ability to adjust to fit pots of any size, making it incredibly adaptable for various cooking needs. This flexibility allows you to steam a wide range of vegetables, ensuring they retain their nutrients and vibrant colors while cooking evenly. The foldable design makes it easy to use, as you can simply expand it to fit your pot and start steaming in no time. Additionally, its space-saving design allows for convenient storage in your kitchen, making it an ideal choice for those with limited cabinet space. Enjoy healthy cooking with this practical steamer. An electric spice grinder offers exceptional convenience for anyone looking to enhance their culinary creations. With just a simple press of a button, this handy appliance grinds spices quickly and efficiently, allowing you to enjoy freshly ground flavors in seconds. Its battery-operated feature adds to its portability, making it easy to use anywhere in your kitchen or even while traveling, ensuring you can elevate your dishes on the go. Additionally, the compact design of the electric spice grinder allows for easy storage, fitting neatly in drawers or on shelves without taking up much space. Embrace the ease and efficiency of an electric spice grinder to bring out the best in your cooking. Introducing the convenience of a turntable for the fridge, a simple yet effective solution for enhancing organization and accessibility. This innovative accessory allows you to easily access items stored at the back, eliminating the frustration of reaching into deep shelves. With its rotating feature, you can effortlessly spin the turntable to find what you need, making it ideal for condiments, snacks, and small containers. Additionally, the turntable plays a crucial role in maximizing fridge space, allowing you to utilize every inch efficiently while keeping your items neatly arranged. By incorporating a turntable into your refrigerator, you can streamline your food storage and enjoy a more organized and functional kitchen environment. A chicken shredder is an incredibly convenient tool that simplifies meal preparation, especially for those who love shredded chicken in their dishes. This innovative device effortlessly shreds cooked chicken, allowing you to achieve perfectly pulled meat in seconds, making it ideal for tacos, salads, and sandwiches. Designed with rubber pads, the shredder provides a secure grip, ensuring stability while you work, which enhances safety and efficiency. Additionally, its dishwasher-safe feature makes cleaning a breeze, allowing you to spend less time on cleanup and more time enjoying your delicious meals. With a chicken shredder in your kitchen, you can streamline your cooking process and elevate your culinary creations with ease. Introducing vacuum containers designed for long-term food storage, these innovative solutions are essential for preserving your ingredients. Made from durable plastic material, these containers are built to withstand daily use while ensuring your food remains safe and secure. The integrated vacuum pump creates an airtight seal, effectively removing air and preventing oxidation, which is crucial for maintaining freshness. This airtight environment not only keeps food from spoiling, but also helps retain flavor and nutrients, allowing you to enjoy your ingredients at their best for extended periods. By utilizing vacuum containers, you can reduce food waste and save money, making them a smart addition to any kitchen focused on sustainability and efficiency. Introducing the features of an electric knife sharpener, a must-have tool for any kitchen enthusiast looking to maintain their knives with ease. This innovative device sharpens knives quickly and efficiently, allowing you to achieve a razor-sharp edge in just moments, saving you time and effort compared to manual sharpening methods. One standout feature is the retractable power cord, which ensures neat storage and keeps your countertop organized when the sharpener is not in use. Additionally, the electric knife sharpener boasts dual sharpening sides, providing optimal results for both fine and coarse edges, ensuring your knives are always ready for precise cutting. Enjoy effortless knife maintenance with this essential kitchen appliance. A watermelon slicer is an essential tool for enjoying this refreshing fruit with ease and efficiency. Designed to cut watermelon slices effortlessly, it allows you to create perfectly shaped pieces in seconds,